Sige.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's stumble along when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's stumble along when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
kasi sikip ka mo duman. Tapos, wait lang, yata, medyo... Ay, para sa mga... Fryland. Poging Froilan. Froilan. Ano nga say mo? First hybrid model. Let's call in Froilan Araneta to give us a walk around of Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. Bye!
Good afternoon, Hyundai lovers. I'm Froilan, your certified sales consultant here at Hyundai Legazpi. So today, I am excited to introduce to you a sedan that is slick, stylish, and packed with technology, the all-new 2026 Hyundai Elantra. Let's take a quick walk around and see why this head-turner stands out on the road. Starting up front, you'll notice a bold parametric design matched with LED daytime running lights. It gives off an aggressive, sharp look complemented by the shark nose style hood, definitely eye-catching. From the side, the Elantra shows up a coupe-like silhouette with strong character lines. It sits on 16 alloy wheel that adds premium and sporty touch. The low and wide range, plus the pass-back profile, not only boosts aerodynamics, but gives the Elantra a confidence in the road. Moving to the rear, you get a bold H-shaped LED tail lamps, sculpted trunks, and integrated spoilers, all working together to create a futuristic, sporty finish. Now let's step inside Hyundai Elantra. Right away, you feel the driver-focused cockpit. The layout is sleek, the materials is soft touch, and the cool interior is designed around comfort and connectivity. You'll find a 10.25-inch instrument cluster, 8-inch touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with Bluetooth and premium audio for a great driving experience. Plus, it was a dual-zone automatic climate control, push-button start, and engine remote start functions. Lalo na, pag dito sa Pilipinas, mainit, so you can start the unit from afar. So pagpasok mo sa unit, so mainit na. Ay, malamig na. Baliktad lang. So, meron din itong power adjustment seats and automatic charging. So it gives you the comfortability and convenience. When it's come to safety, the Hyundai has got you covered. So the Elantra comes with a smart cruise control, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping and following assist, forward and reverse sensors, 6 airbags, ABS, electronic stability assist, hill start assist, and tire pressure monitoring system. These features all work together to give you peace of mind every time you drive. Under the hood is 1.6-liter powertrain, giving you 141 PS torque and 147 Nm of torque, paired with 6-speed dual transmission. So perfect definition of an electric and gasoline engine. So it is smooth, responsive, incredibly fuel efficient. Great for daily commutes and long drive. The Hyundai Elantra is perfect for anyone who wants bold design, smart technology, top-notch safety, and fuel economy. So all at competitive price points. We also have 4 different variants available. So let us know Which features matters to you most? So we'll help you find the perfect trim. So come visit us here at Hyundai Legazpi. Once again, I'm Froilan, your certified sales consultant. Thank you, and I can't wait to help you get behind the wheel.
You know. All right. So next up, Pia. Come here. Let's give a round of applause to Sophia Hakuman.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's not belong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's not belong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. See what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. See what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is
there's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. See what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. See what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood.
there's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's not belong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use, and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
Test mic, test.
Hello.
Mic test. Hello. Masala pa. Okay. 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 Yeah, ganun mga expert. Naka-ready. Naka-ready. Nag-isipan naman ang script. Thank you, expert. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our live walk-around event here at Hyundai Legazpi. I'm Jox Bider.
And I'm Casey Begia, Venosa, and we're thrilled to have you with us today for an exciting showcase of Hyundai's cutting-edge hybrid lineup.
Very exciting for this back-to-back event here at Hyundai Legazpi. We would also like to acknowledge our partners. This event is made possible by our amazing sponsor, Standard Insurance, Babam Car Care Service, Varems, IMJ Interactive, Ledtronics, ABS Catering, Hyundai Parts and Service also.
Yes, and we'd also like to express our gratitude to our bank partners and valued customers who are with us today. Thank you all for your support. So, Ma'am Zoms, guys, back-to-back yung event
dito
natin
na naman
ngayon.
kami.
Ayun.
So, here at Legazpi, ito po yung first time na gagawin namin yung live na ganito. So, from Naga to Legazpi. Hindi
Ayun.
namin alam kung saan ang sunod.
Oh,
Diba?
di natin alam, ma'am. Baka,
Kaya nga.
we'll never know kung saan naman yung bagong showroom ni Hyundai.
Yes, but for now, kindly please like and share our page, Hyundai Legazpi City Bicol. And then, by the way guys, ang address po ng Hyundai Legazpi is at Peñaranda Extension, Barangay Bonot, Legazpi City, Albay. Beside Apollo Tires.
Ayun.
Ayan.
We also have our showroom at Naga City, along Del Rosario, Naga City. Also, we have our branch or store in Hyundai Daet, along SM Daet din po.
Ayan. So, palago ng palago po si Hyundai. So, talagang kailangan na natin gawin ng ito para po malaman ng lahat, mga Albayanos, mga taga Sorsogon, Masbate, and Catanduanes na palapit na kami sa inyo. Andito na kami sa Hyundai Legazpi. Actually po, we've been here na since 2000... we have also dati sa may Pacific Mall.
Yes, ma'am.
And then lumipat kami sa may, yung malapit po sa Saint...
UST Hospital.
UST Hospital. And then ito na po yung malaking showroom namin na inaantay.
Ayun. We all know na marami po ang busy sa mga oras na ito. And kaya po kami naka-live ngayon para we can bring to your home, to your workplace, the live walk-around of our newest hybrid lineup. So just sit back and relax, watch our live stream, hit the like button, and if you have comments or questions, just comment below na lang po.
Paki-share na din po kasi guys, meron kaming surprise ngayon. Actually, first time din gagawin this event.
Yes.
Sa lahat ng event, ngayon din kami bibigay ng SMGC.
Yes, SM gift certificate.
Please, like and share our page, Hyundai Legazpi. And also, guys, pag na-like nyo, papashare na din. And mamaya, yung mechanics ng ating raffle for the SMGC.
Ayun, nakaka-excite yun. And very easy as 1, 2, 3 lang yung gagawin para manalo sila, di ba, Ma'am Zoms?
Yes.
So stay tuned.
Yes. Yun nga, so doon na tayo sa ating event for today. Guys, we have our sponsors.
Yes.
Na i-introduce po namin. So, kasi hindi lang to guys, lahat ng hindi lang to units ni Hyundai. We also have our partners like the insurance partner, bank partners, and also our service and parts partner here at Hyundai.
And Babam is also here with us.
Yes. So, meron na kaming oven. So, yung gustong magpaayos ng sasakyan, madaling magawa po yan dito sa amin sa Hyundai Legazpi. Meron tayong service center at the back. Kumbaga sa meron na tayong malaking oven.
I believe not only Hyundai brand, ma'am, if for body and repair, they can freely visit our casa for estimate and for repair as well.
Yes, for the body repair. Ano po? So yan, una, we will need to go to the our
so
partner.
Yes, we have our partners here. So kilalanin naman natin yung mga standard insurance partners natin na nandito sa atin with Hyundai Legazpi.
Ayan ang aming magagandang guest for this afternoon. So ayan, mga miss, pakilala naman kami.
So hello po, I am Laika from Standard Insurance Naga Branch.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Karen Barquilla from Standard Insurance Naga.
Yun, all the way from Naga.
Yes po.
Magagandang dalag from Standard Insurance. So madami po yung syempre madami tayong viewers or customers na madami din silang questions about insurance. So we have few questions lang for you, no? First, can you give us a quick overview of what Standard Insurance offers to our customer today?
Okay po. So today po, ang hina-highlight po namin, comprehensive and CTPL insurance. Pero may ina-offer din po kaming Travel Protect. If mahilig po kayo mag-travel, we offer local and international. Meron din po kaming Family Protect, House Protect or Fire Insurance, and Personal Accident. For personal accident po, for as low as 65 pesos for 1 year, insured na kayo niyan. Ang coverages po nito, accidental death and disablement, medical or surgical expense, due or except motorcycling risk, burial expense, unprovoked murder and assault. Ayun po.
Ayan. So, Miss Karen, ikaw naman ang aking tatanungin. Why is car insurance important?
Yes. Hello. It's very important po para sa mga vehicle owner natin na maintindihan ang importance po ng car insurance. Kasi po, pag mayroon po tayong sasakyan, prone po tayo na maka-experience ng serious partial loss, total loss. Pwede po tayong mabiktima ng carnapping, carjacking, and theft. Pwede po tayo mag-cause ng injury to the other people and sa mga tao po na nasa sasakyan. Pwede din po tayo maka-experience ng damage due to calamity or maka-damage sa property ng ibang tao o sasakyan ng ibang tao. Pag meron po tayong comprehensive insurance, secured tayo. May free... mai-enjoy natin ang pagbiyahe na wala tayong iniisip na pangamba. Kasi we are financially secured na may maaasahan tayo. Kasi sa Standard Insurance, our transformative purpose is to provide peace of mind to all mankind. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you naman sa inyong dalawa. Anyways, alam naman natin dito sa Albay is prone din sa calamities, lalo na dito sa Albay. Yung baha, yung Bulkan Mayon, syempre, yun. Is acts of God or acts of nature coverage included in most policies? Or do customers need to request it?
For acts of gods or acts of nature, if ang unit nyo po or ang car nyo is under bank, yes po, nire-require po ng bank na makover ang acts of nature and acts of God. Pero if hindi naman po under sa bank ang unit nyo, up to the client naman po or customer if i-cover nyo po ang acts of nature or acts of God. Pero mas better na po na covered na din po sa inyo yung acts of nature of acts of God para po, ayan po, sabi po kanina ni Ma'am Karen, para maging financially secured din po tayo.
Ayan, thank you. Sige. Sige, Kay.
Ayun, napaka-informative naman yung mga information talagang binigay sa atin ni Miss Karen and Miss Laika. So ma'am, ano po ba yung mga requirements? Pag halimbawa, there is claim, especially for comprehensive insurance, ano yung mga basic requirements na lang ipe-prepare?
As far as I know po, pag halimbawa po sa own damage, nire-require po namin yung ORCR, copy ng license ng owner, and then po yung police report. Pag nag-claim po tayo, pag lalo na sa own damage po, may 30 days tayo para makapag-file ng claim. Pag own damage naman po, 7 days para sa acts of God po, may 7 days po tayo para makapag-file ng claim.
7 days?
Opo.
So halimbawa, 1 month, hindi na siya makakapag-claim?
Ang alam ko po halimbawa sa acts of God, wala dito yung owner and then na-flood yung sasakyan. Nagdedepende po kami sa situation. Kung hindi sila talaga available po during that time para makapag-report, may consideration naman po tayong binibigay. Yes po.
Ayun. So, thank you, Miss Karen. No? So, to wrap up our discussion with insurance, do you have other promos pa to offer?
For this month po of August, we're still celebrating our 67th anniversary. So, nag-offer pa rin po kami ng 12 months, 0% interest sa ating mga credit card users. Pag sa premium po na as low as 7,000 na comprehensive insurance po.
Ay, magaan yun, Ma'am Joms.
Ayan.
So, imagine kung mag-renew ka ng comprehensive insurance, magsaswipe lang ng credit card and then they can pay it for staggered payment of
Yes po.
12 months. Gaan yun. Okay, so good news yun for car owners. Okay, so thank you, Miss Laika and Miss Karen.
Ayan, congratulations, Standard Insurance. 67th year anniversary.
And shout out to Ma'am Leslie.
Ayan. Shout out, Ma'am Leslie.
All right, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so now let's jump naman to our syempre, very own Hyundai Legaspi parts and service offerings, Ma'am Zobs. So, here with us is our napakagwapong service manager, Sir John Abdua.
Ayan, si Sir John. Okay.
Hey, good afternoon once again. We are already, yaw na naman po kami digdi sa Legaspi. Last year we have done this August 1 and 2, and this is the second run of the introduction of our hybrid units in the market here in Region 5. So we have the Santa Fe, Tucson, Kona, and Elantra. So all of these are hybrid variants. So by the way, I am John Abdua from after sales of Hyundai Naga City, and Legazpi is our extension in Naga. So, okay?
Ayan, thank you, Sir John.
Sige.
Oo. Anyways, as usual, Sir John, ito lang naman yung laging gustong malaman nila ng public. How often should a customer change the oil in their Hyundai cars?
Okay.
Why is it important?
Okay. Of course, from its abbreviations, PMS, Preventive Maintenance. So, it is to prevent your vehicles na madadamage. That's why it is called preventive. So bago po siya magkaigwang diferensya, ma-intercept mo na po. So that's why preventive. Hindi magiging proactive. Okay? And sa question ni Joms kanina na how often na magpa-PMS ka sa auto mo. So for our diesel variants, at least 5,000 kilometer interval and 7,500 for the gas variants. So shall we say if ang ikot mo is within city of Legazpi or city of Naga and going Albay to Kamsur and Sorsogon, siguro roughly at least twice a year lang ang visit mo sa dealer. That's a very minimal cost for us na spent with our daily mobility.
Ayun.
Yes.
So tama yun, Sir John. No? So actually yun yung maganda sa mga Hyundai cars natin kasi magaan yung after sales. And ayun nga, no, from Naga City, we now have Hyundai Legazpi to cater naman after sales services. So we have here din po body and repair. So talagang di na kailangan pumunta ng Naga, Sir John, di ba?
Yes, exactly.
And not only that, Sir John, di ba? I believe you also have service caravan in other places.
Yes. So for the service and parts caravan, we have it every month, but in per area it turns na quarterly ang ikot. But on a monthly basis, bulan-bulan po siya. So we go as far as Sorsogon City, Viracatanduanes, and Daet Camarines Norte. So kada bulan magchi-change yan. Bulan-bulan nag-iikot kami sa entire region. So in effect sa bawat area is quarterly ang visit. So very timely for your vehicles na ipa-check with us. 23-point check-up is free.
Ayun.
No need to pay anything, any penny. You don't have to get it from your pocket. Free po yon. So just visit sa mga caravan sites me. Case.
So thank you, Sir John. Yeah. So talagang easy access ang after sales with Hyundai.
Yes.
Ayun. So wala. Now, sir, yung after sales is sobrang easy access. How about naman, sir, yung parts? Gaano po kadali yung pag-avail ng parts, and bakit importante yung genuine accessories and parts na inilalagay natin sa mga sasakyan?
Okay. So mahaba yung question mo, Case. Saro-saroon ta. Okay. For the importance of having a genuine parts, of course, yaon na po duman si durability, reliability, and of course, yung tiwala mo talaga sa pyesa na totoo siya. Bako siyang mga peke-peke na anytime soon, it will cost your life, no? Knock on the wood, but again, masakit po magtiwala sa bakong genuine. Diba? Even sa totoong buhay, maano ka sa tao na bako mag-genuine. So, we should have makiibanan kita sa genuine. So, same with automotive, it should be genuine parts. Yan ang importante. And what was the other question?
Accessibility.
Okay. Sa accessibilities, we ensure na available po ang mga pyesa once we introduce the vehicle in the market. We make sure na available ang pyesa. And you just inquire from our parts department we will just publish or you can course it through sa hotline ni sa service. You can keep in touch with our parts also.
Ayan.
Thank you, Sir John.
Thank you, Sir John. How about promos in your accessories?
Okay. For now, in front of us, ito medyo may konting alteration lang sa petsa. But again, for the ito naka-line up po, ang tawag namin po dito is PMS2. We will extend a 10% discount for the bushing, stab link, brake pads, tie rod, inner and outer, expansion valve, belts, idler, tensioner, fuse, bulbs, and oil seal. So that is 10%. And we also extend 20% for those out of warranty vehicles. Ito sa gabos po, even sa bago. Ito po, sa gabos na auto na outside warranty. And it does not limit sa mga parts na to. All or selected, on selected available items for old vehicles na yaon po on hand sa Hyundai Naga. And another is 20% discount for the labor. So that's for the Genuine Parts Garage Sale. Especially this 2 days event, August 7 and 8. And one thing, we also extend or share po sa merkado kang Pilipinas or even sa nationwide. This is our latest na CSR, or this is what we have now, the corporate social responsibility. We tie up with an NGO, Good Neighbors. In every PMS or every service that you have with us, matao po kaming 50 pesos sa mga tugang ta na less fortunates. No, itong mga naghihikaos na mga tugang ta in selected areas in the Philippines. Those people, yun iso mga ang livelihood nila is garo sa Smoky Mountain. They pick up trashes, binibenta nila, pinapabakal, then that's their daily routine to earn a living. So arog po kayo ng buhay kang mga gusto tang tabangan. And imagine, that's 150 pesos per vehicle. Pinapaservice nyo po sa Hyundai Naga, Hyundai Legazpi, and even all the dealers in NCR, Vismin, and provincial dealers. So, pag naipon po, dakulon na po yan. It means a lot. And of course, duman sa tatawan ta. And we have also our I forgot the term of Anyway, we will just have it published sa page po about sa current na program that we have with Hyundai.
Ayan, thank you, Sir John. So, di ba, si Hyundai po, hindi lang kami puro business. Tumutulong din kami sa ibang tao. So, I'm proud to be one of the employee of Hyundai. And Sir John, kindly please invite also sa ating service, yung sa BP, yung body repair.
Okay. Thanks, Joms. But before that, yung sinabi ko po na charity work with Hyundai Philippines and partner NGO, the Good Neighbors, will only last for 2 months, August 1 to September 30. So hope we could grab it to extend our help duman sa mga tugang ta na less fortunates. And sa question ni Ma'am Joms na sa body repair, igwa na po kita digdi sa Legazpi. No need to bring your vehicles in Naga. We already have it here in Legazpi. Pwede na kamo digdi magpa-service. We also have the paint booth or the oven to bake sa mga auto after na bubughan sa pintura. So meaning to say, even during rainy days, typhoon seasons, no need to worry. Because pwede mi pong trabahoon ang pag-repair and pagpintura ka mga auto nindo, no hassle of sa panahon na day kita mahadit na nag-uuran, naghahangin, because safe po ang auto nindo sa Muya during rainy season.
Ayan,
Okay.
thank you Sir Jan. Thank you for that information. And also guys, kung mapapasin nyo, wala yung partner ko dito. So, she's with our guest also. Ayan, thank you Sir Jan.
Okay,
Ayan siya.
thanks for having
so,
me.
Casey,
Yes, Ma'am Zoms. Thank you so much then, Sir John. Okay, so nandito naman ako ngayon with our visitors, mga nagagandahang visitors, no? So here with me is one of the beautiful officer in Maybank. Ma'am, pakilala naman po tayo.
Yes, good evening, good afternoon sa ating mga viewers, sa mga Hyundai followers, especially dito sa Legazpi. I'm Sheila Langasa. I'm one of the account officers of Maybank Philippines Inc., located here in Legazpi City. Yeah, so we are here to join and witness yung Hyundai's event to introduce their hybrid units. Yeah, so congratulations.
Thank you, Madam. So, Ma'am, saan po located yung Maybank dito sa Legazpi?
Yeah. So for those clients who are interested for the financing facility of Maybank, our office is located at RRL Building, Landco Business Park, Legazpi City. So our office is just beside the well-known Pacific Mall, Legazpi.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay po. So, also meron din tayong dalawang nagagandahang visitor from Metro Bank. Ma'am, ano po yung magandang pangalan natin?
Hi, I'm Jomaira Marie Salmat po from AXA Philippines kay Metro.
Partner with Maybank, Metro Bank. Okay. I'm sorry, your name again, ma'am?
Joe na lang.
So, okay. Napakaganda. Also, madam?
Yes, I'm Melissa Michon, branch head of Metrobank Legazpi Rizal, just in front of Wille and Sons Legazpi. Very timely, ma'am, because we have also a promo called as Happy Holiday Deals. The promo includes free chattel fees and then free insurance for 1 year, and at the same time offering low interest rates for our clients and non-clients also. We are catering all car dealership and including car dealerships including Hyundai Legazpi also. Thank you.
Ayun. So, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for being with us today. So, ayan, Metrobank and Maybank is with us. And may mga nauna na din mga banks na pumunta dito kanina. And sa mga pupunta pa, please don't hesitate to visit our dealership so you can check out our new lineup of units. Thank you po. Enjoy your stay with Hyundai Legazpi.
Ayan, Casey. Umiikot tayo, di ba? So, anyways, pinapahirapan natin ang ating cameraman. Okay. Anyways, before that, we also have our other bank partners, especially po RCBC, BDO, BPI, PS Bank. Ayan. So, Maybank, nandito nga si Miss Lai. So, siya ang representative ni Ma'am Judy. Anyways, shout out doon sa mga taga-bangko din dyan na iba. And thank you, Ma'am, from Metro Bank. Thank you po.
Ayan. So, ma'am, I think before we start with our walk around,
Again, guys, ulitin ko lang po. Please like and share our page para dun sa SMGC na makuha. Kasi ang importance kasi na kapag nanood kayo, meron kaming special raffle mamaya with the SMGC. Sayang naman yun. Pwede nyo pang grocery. Diba?
Yes, malaki doon yun, ma'am.
Yes.
So, all you have to do is just to watch our live stream and like and share our post.
Ayan. So, Casey?
All right. So, now again, before we start with our walk around proper, let us welcome a special performer to set the mood. Please give it up for Raymark Bobbies.
Yes!
Pwede, mana na nakamatch. Hello. Hello.
Once again, give it up for Raymark Bobby.
Hello. They say you'd know when you know, so let's face it. You had me at hello. Hesitations never helps. How could this be anything else when all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch, and darling, something tells me that's enough. Ooh, you can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. One smile, one kiss to lonely hearts is all that it takes now, baby. You're on my mind every night, every day. Good vibrations getting loud. How could this be anything else when all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch, and darling, something tells me that's enough. Ooh, you can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. Oh, I think they call this love. Ooh. What could this be between you and me? Oh, all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch, and darling, something tells me it's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call. Oh, I think they call. Yes, I think they call this love, this love.
Thank you for that beautiful performance, Raymark. Now, the moment that we are waiting for. Let's move on to our first hybrid model. Let's call in Froilan Araneta to give us walk around of the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Hyundai lovers. I am Froilan, your certified sales consultant here at Hyundai Legazpi. And today, I am excited to share with you a sedan that is slick, stylish, and topped with technology, the all-new 2026 Hyundai Elantra. Let's have a quick walk around and see why this head-turner stands out on the road. Starting up front, you'll notice a bold parametric design matched with LED daytime running lights. It gives off a sharp, aggressive look, complemented by the shark nose style hood, definitely eye-catching. From the side, the Elantra shows off a coupe-like silhouette with strong character lines. It sits on 16 inches wheel and adds a premium sporty touch. The low and wide stance plus the fastback profile not only boosts aerodynamic but gives the Elantra a confident road presence. Moving to the rear, you get a bold H-shaped LED tail lamps, a sculpted trunk, and integrated spoiler. All work together to create a futuristic and sportive finish. Now let's step inside Hyundai Elantra. Right away, you'll feel the driver-focused cockpit. The layout is sleek, the materials are soft touch, and the whole interiors is designed around comfort and connectivity. You'll find a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8-inch touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, and premium audio for great driving experience. Plus, it has also a dual-zone automatic climate control, push-button start with engine remote start functions. So, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, mainit. So, pwede mo nang ma-start from afar yung Hyundai Elantra para pagpasok mo, malamig na. So, meron din itong 6-way power adjustable seats and wireless charging. So, very comfortable and convenient. When it comes to safety, Hyundai has got you covered. The Elantra comes with a smart cruise control, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping and following assist, forward and reverse sensors, 6 airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and tire pressure monitoring system. These features all work together to give you peace of mind every time you drive. Under the hood, you've got a 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain, delivering 141 purge torques and 147 Newton-meter of torque, paired with 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. So it's a great definition of electric combined with gasoline engine. It is smooth, responsive, and incredibly fuel efficient. Great for daily commutes and long trips. The Hyundai Elantra is perfect for anyone who wants bold design, smart technology, top-notch safety, and fuel economy, all at a competitive price point. We also have 4 other variants available, so let us know which features matter most to you. Will help you find the perfect trim. So come and visit us here at Hyundai Legazpi. So once again, I'm Froilan, your certified sales consultant. Thank you, and I can't wait to help you get behind the wheel.
Wow! What a sleek, smart, and efficient sedan. The Hyundai Elantra Hybrid truly delivers on performance and style. Ayan, guys. Elantra Hybrid. Ano pa? Oo. Ngayon, guys, nakaisa na tayong hybrid. Isa pa lang yan sa 5 5 hybrid ni Hyundai na available na sa atin sa market. Ano po? And now, ayan, gusto ko lang ulit kasi testingin na natin yung sa SMGC. Ano po? Ayan. Barbie, ready ka na ba magbilang? Barbie, magbilang ka na. So, sasampulan namin. Mahina yung mga, mga nagsishare pa eh. So, sasampulan natin. Bibigyan namin ng 1,000 SMGC.
Uy, 1,000!
1,000 SMGC.
1,000. So, sa mga nandito sa showroom ngayon, please do like and share.
Pa-like and share na po. And then, ito yung ilalagay nyong message or comment. Bibigyan namin ng 1,000 SMGC doon sa magmamine ng Elantra. Guys, ang gagawin nyo, mine Elantra. Don't worry, hindi nyo naman talaga sa bibilhin. Hindi nyo naman bibilhin.
Unless mag-deposit, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Pero, ang ilalagay nyo po is mine Elantra.
Mine Elantra.
Yung 18 na magmamine ng Elantra.
Umpisa na.
Sa kanya mapupunta yung 1,000 SMGC. So, ayan. I-test na natin yan. Guys, mag-share na and like. Yung may share badge lang po ang mananalo ng 1,000 SMGC.
So again, Ma'am Zom, they have to share and like this live stream and they have to type in the comment box, Mine Elantra. So, sige po, Miss Barbie, pabilang po ng mga nagko-comment ngayon, Mine Elantra.
Guys, yung bilangin namin, yung nakikita namin sa aming monitor, yun po yung yun po official. Hindi po dun sa bilang nyo ha, sa bilang namin. So, Mine Elantra, ika-18 na magmamine. May nanalo na ba, Miss Barbie?
Miss Barbie?
Miss Barbie, Mine Elantra, para sa 1,000 SMGC. Ayan. Kung wala po kayo dito to claim your prize, please inform us na lang po or message sa aming page. Pwede nyo kami i-PM o yung kakilala nyo po na nandito, yun po pwede natin siyang magbigay ng 1,000 SMGC.
Ayun.
So ayan, Barbie, meron na bang nanalo ng
So pang 18.
SMGC? Pang 18. Pang 18, mine.
Alright,
Mine
so tingnan natin.
Elantra. Ayan. Asan na si Barbie? Magbilang ka na, Barbie. 12 pa lang daw.
12 pa lang.
Pwedeng umulit.
Ay, umawal. Okay, timingan lang yan.
Timingan lang yan.
Timingan pa lang yan. So, maswerte, ika-18.
Oo, ika-18.
So, meron tayo pang 12 na comment. Mine Elantra. Nako, 1,000 pesos.
1,000 pesos magmamine Elantra ka lang, guys.
Mine Elantra.
Anong masama doon, di ba? So,
dapat syempre, dapat naka-like and share. So, Barbie, check
dapat
natin kung naka-like and
siya. May share badge para makuha niya ang kanyang 1,000 SMGC.
Okay.
Ayan. So, pwedeng umulit yung mga kamag-anak natin dyan. Sige na, go na.
Go!
Mag-go na kayo ng Mine Elantra.
Mine Elantra for 1,000 pesos. Mine Elantra.
Mine Elantra. Mine Elantra, meron na? Meron na bang nanalo? Uy guys, pwedeng umulit ha. Pwedeng ulitin yung message nyo.
Mine
ulit
Elantra.
Ulit na ulit hanggang sa makuha natin yung ika-18.
Ayun.
Ayun.
So, this is only the first 1,000 GC. So, marami pa pong darating na mga gift certificate. All you have to do is just to like and share this live stream. And again, comment lang ng Mine Elantra.
Uy, sayang yun. Sayang ng 1,000. Nakala nyo totoo yun. Hindi yun scam. So, I could show you the 1,000 SMGC right now. So, please, Mine Elantra. Don't worry guys, hindi naman yung bibilin talaga. Imamine nyo lang.
Mine Elantra.
Lai, ulitin mo. Para mag-18. Oo.
Sayang, 1,000 din yan.
Yes. Hindi, pwede ka kasi mag-ulit. pag nagmamind, pwede nyo ulitin.
Ayun,
guys.
so yeah.
Pwedeng ulitin.
So while nag-aantay tayo
Yung mga
again.
guests natin dyan, pwede kayong mag-mind.
Yun, so once again, pasalamat lang ulit sa ating mga sponsors. Standard Insurance, Babam Car Care, Varems, IMJ Interactive, Ledtronics, ABS Catering, Hyundai Parts and Service, and also to our bank partners. Ayun, so Mine Elantra, Ma'am Jones, pang ilan na po ba ang ating comment box? Ayun, Mine Elantra.
Mine Elantra, guys!
Mine Elantra.
Barbie, meron na? Okay. Meron na pong nanalo. Babalikan na lang namin kayo kung sino yung nanalo later.
Ayan, so meron
okay,
na.
surprise. Ayan.
Nakakatuwa to.
Meron na nanalong 1,000 SMGC.
So stay
guys,
tuned.
stay tuned. Mamaya meron pa kaming maraming pamimigay na SMGC.
Oh, baka
diba?
maya-maya hindi na lang to 1,000, Ma'am Jones.
Yes, yes.
Pwede. So ano lang po, just sit back and relax, enjoy the live stream, and marami po tayo raffle promos after ng mga live stream natin.
Ayan. Okay.
Okay. So, up next, let's move on to our hybrid SUV that's turning heads everywhere. We now call in Paul Ellie for the hybrid Tucson walk around.
Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to Hyundai Legaspi. I'm Paul, one of the product expert, and I'm excited to introduce to you one of the most advanced and fuel-efficient SUVs in the market today. The all-new Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is now available here in Legaspi. So now let's take a closer look. Starting in the front, you'll immediately notice the bold parametric dual grille flanked by hidden LED daytime running lights and a sleek projector LED headlamps. It's a perfect blend of a futuristic design and functional visibility. And additional, pag naka-off ang daytime running lights natin is nagbe-blend siya sa ating parametric dual grille for bolder and elegant design. Moving to the side, you'll see the sporty look silhouette and the strong body lines. Sitting confidently on a 19-inch alloy wheels with a sporty look and a roof drip and a silver wind pillar for a good aerodynamics and a smooth driving. And at the back, the Tucson Hybrid features a full LED light bar with parametric accents and hidden rear wiper. So guys, kung mapapansin nyo, ang logo ng Hyundai is naka-integrated layout sa windshield that gives it a clean, modern finish. So talagang standout si Tucson Hybrid sa kalsada. This SUV also comes with a power tailgate and a roomy cargo area. So perfect for groceries, luggage, even balikbayan boxes. So we have a cargo screen and cargo lamps. The compartment's capacity is 1,096 liters, and pag naka-fold naman ang second row is by 60/40 is umaabot siya ng 2,109 liters. And kung mas gusto mo pa ng spacious na compartment, pwede mong i-adjust ang ating compartment cover at ilagay siya sa ibabang layer. Under the hood, the Tucson Hybrid runs in a 1.6 turbocharged paired with an electric motor engine. It delivers 235 horsepower and 367 Newton of torque, matched with 6-speed automatic transmission. That means powerful performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Tipid sa long drives at daily driving at less hassle dahil self-charging ang hybrid natin. So better fuel economy, good balance and performance, and can still operate even if the battery is slow. So guys, no need to plug in si hybrid natin. So inside the cabin, premium feels all the way. You're welcomed by a 12.3-inch digital cluster and a 12.3 touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also comes with dual-zone automatic climate control, leather seats, and a panoramic sunroof that brings in natural light and openness to the cabin. Another cool feature is the shift-by-wire column type transmission, giving you a clean and spacious center console. And as you can see, sa ating steering wheel, instead na logo ng Hyundai ang nakalagay is binago nila ito at pinalitan ng Morse code for letter H that stands for Hyundai. So, safety-wise, the Tucson Hybrid is equipped with Hyundai Smart Sense feature like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, blind spot collision avoidance, rear cross traffic alert, smart cruise control, surround view monitor with blind spot view monitor, and a 360-degree parking sensors. So kung hanap mo ay isang SUV that is stylish, powerful, eco-friendly, and family-ready, the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is definitely worth checking out. So once again, I'm Paul, your certified sales consultant here in Hyundai Legazpi. Visit us or message us today to learn more about our latest promos, financing options, and trade-in deals. So guys, thank you and see you on the road.
Play lang po.
Nice, Paul! Such a powerful and dynamic SUV packed with features. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is the perfect ride for those with an adventurous spirit.
Ayan. Casey, before ang lahat, ano. Ito
Ayun.
muna. Kasi, syempre, yung iba, hindi naman lahat alam kung anong hybrid.
Yun, ma'am.
Please give us a quick understanding with what hybrid is.
Ayun. So, alam ba natin, ma'am, na nasa era na tayo ng modern mobility. So, one way na ginawa po ng Hyundai para mas lalong maging matipid ang fuel consumption is pumasok tayo ng mga hybrid models. Primarily, Ma'am Zoms, ang purpose ng hybrid models is to get more fuel efficiency consumption. Actually, if you get to compare a hybrid over a full gasoline engine, you get a more 30 to 50% fuel consumption. Ganun po katipid siya. So ngayon, ano po ba ang components ng hybrid? Ang hybrid po is a combination of electric motor and gasoline engine. So alam naman natin in general, ang hybrid is a combination of two elements. So for automotive po, it's a combination of engine, gasoline engine, and electric motor. The one we have with us with Hyundai is parallel hybrid. Ang maganda po sa parallel hybrid ni Hyundai is self-charging po ito, Ma'am Zoms. So hindi po siya complicated. And para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang hybrid models ni Hyundai is matagal na po itong nasa market. Proven and tested na po ang hybrid ni Hyundai technology. Actually po, 10 years. 10 years na po kami gumagamit ng hybrid technology. Alam naman natin, Ma'am Zoms, marami ngayon sa market ang pumapasok pa lang ng mga hybrid technology. But with Hyundai, matagal na po kami gumagamit ng hybrid technology. To be specific, Ma'am Zoms, kay Sonata and Ioniq, Yun po yung mga hybrid models natin noon. And now, nandito na po siya sa ibang units natin. So nakita naman natin si Elantra, si Santa Fe, and si Tucson. And of course, meron pa tayong dalawa, Ma'am Joms.
Yes.
Ayun. So, ayun, talagang, na malapit na po sa mga, marami na po tayong service centers with Hyundai. Isa pa po yan sa mga highlight ni Hyundai as a brand, no? When it comes to after sales, mag-a-add and madali po yung accessibility. Kasi alam naman po natin na matagal na po si Hyundai sa market. So all over the Philippines, madali po yung after sales ni hybrid. Ayun. So yun po yung hybrid, Ma'am Zoms.
Ayan. So yung mga medyo nalalabuan pa po, sana malinaw yung paka-explain namin with the hybrid.
Ayun.
Ayan. So ayan. So nagiging exciting na po talaga yung ating event ngayon, Casey.
Yes.
So kami po ay nagagalak sa mga nag-visit and yung mga nanonood po sa ating live.
Ayun.
So guys, ito na kasi yung yung new era.
New trend. Yes, Ma'am Zoms.
Kami na yung lalapit sa inyo through ganito po, live sharing and live presentation ng ating sasakyan para hindi na kayo mahirapan na pumupunta pa dito sa dealership.
Yes.
But if mas maganda po na kung may time naman kayo, visit us here in our showroom para makita niyo po talaga actual yung mga units natin.
Ayun.
Ayan.
So,
ayan. So, ayan guys. So, yon. Di ba kanina nag-sample na kami ng SMGC?
Ayun.
So, again, we are inviting po everyone, yung mga nanonood dyan, please like and share our page, Hyundai Legazpi City, Bicol.
Yes.
Ano po? So, para po makapag-comment kayo sa aming live page, ito naman, yung another 1,000 SMGC.
Uy! Another 1,000 gift certificate.
Ayan. So, ito naman po yung i-comment nyo sa ating page. Mine Tucson.
Mine Tucson. So, kanina is Mine Elantra. Ngayon naman is Mine Tucson.
So, another 1,000
gift certificate.
Yes.
And of course, on top of that, kailangan naman pong i-like and share itong live stream natin. So, please do like and share our live stream and then comment below Mine Tucson. So
ito
Mine
naman,
Tucson.
kung ikailan na magmamine sa
Ayun,
atin.
Ma'am Zoms.
Para medyo exciting yung pagbibilang ni Barbie. So Barbie, get ready. So, Mine Tucson,
Go on, Ma'am Zoms. Special number.
Birthday ni Sir Eugene.
Uy!
Ano ba yun? Sorry, 18 po ulit. 18. Yan, kanina 18. Ngayon gusto ko 18 ulit. Ayan, sabi pala ni Casey, sorry, doblehin daw. So 18 plus 18.
Times 2.
So 18 plus 18. 36.
Ika-36, comment.
Mamine Tucson.
36.
36. So, ika-36 na magmamine Tucson.
36, comment.
Guys, hindi po kayo dito lilimitahan. You just have to comment ng Mine Tucson. Hanggang 36 po na Mine Tucson.
Okay, ka-36. Sige lang po, we have all day.
Ayan, yes.
Ay, nakaka-excite kasi ang dami nagko-comment.
Hindi na po sila nakikinig sa amin. So, nagkiklik na lang sa kanilang mga cellphone ngayon.
Ayun.
Ayan, yung mga friends niyo po, please invite them to like and share and comment below.
Yes.
Ayan.
And hindi lang yan, madami pa tayong mga walk around. Actually, meron pa tayong isa, ma'am, na walk around. Dalawa pa. I'm sorry, dalawa pang unit na yung walk around.
Meron Santa Fe and ang
Hyundai
ating
Kona.
bago. Yes. So again, Barbie, count it na, baby. So medyo madami-dami daw po kasi siyang bibilangin. Kasi marami na nagmamine.
Mine Tucson.
Mine Tucson, guys. So for 1,000 SMGC.
Mine Tucson, like and share our Facebook Live. And then hit Mine Tucson.
Ayan, Casey, magpasalamat ulit tayo sa ating mga sponsor.
Okay, pasalamat.
While waiting.
Yes. Again, we'd like to acknowledge our major sponsors, Standard Insurance, Babam Car Care, Varems, IMJ Interactive, Ledtronics, ABS Catering, Hyundai Parts and Service. And again, maraming salamat po sa mga nandito ngayon sa Hyundai Legazpi showroom, our bank partners and our valued customers. Thank you so much for being with us this afternoon.
Yes, for your insurance need, just call Standard Insurance Naga City. Ano po? And then for your live, like this one, kay IMJ Interactive po. Ayan. Meron na? Meron na bang nanalo? Guys, hindi pwedeng yung nanalo na siya ulit, ha? So, bigyan natin ng chance yung ibang hindi pa nanalo. So, give chance to others yung nanalo na, hindi na pwedeng nanalo ulit. Okay? So, ayan. Nagkakagulo na po sila. Nagkakagulo sila sa ating pagbibilang. Ayan. Meron na ba? I-announce namin later lang po. I-announce namin kung sino yung mga nanalo sa ating SMGC. Ayan.
Ayan, madami po kami nakakita nagko-comment, pero make sure po na meron tayong share badge.
Yes.
So, para magkaroon po kayo ng share badge, make sure to share this live stream.
Like
so,
and
please
share.
like and share para manalo tayo for the 1,000 gift certificate. So, madami pwedeng mabilis sa 1,000 gift certificate, Ma'am Joms.
Yes.
So, pwede ito sa department store, pwede siya sa grocery,
supermarket,
and even food.
Appliances.
And appliances, yes.
Makakabili na yun ng, meron nang bibili ngayon ng mga plato-plato.
Oh, yeah. Oh, 1,000 din yun.
Oo, sayang naman yun, guys.
So, Miss Barbie, pang ilan na po ba? 36?
Meron na ba?
May nanalo na. May share badge ba yan?
May share badge?
Okay, may nanalo na and make sure po na may share badge again para po sa mga nanalo or sa mga nagko-comment, make sure na may share badge or please like and share this live stream.
Congratulations in advance dun sa mga nanalo.
Okay, malapit.
At mananalo.
Oh.
Guys, please, dapat may share badge kayo. Dapat makikita siya doon sa comment nyo, may nakalagay na parang may picture, yung may share badge doon sa name mo. Kasi pag hindi po, hindi kayo kasali sa counting. So, i-share nyo muna po yung page namin, yung live, para makasali kayo doon sa comment. Mabilang siya.
Ayun, yes.
So, ayan.
So, may nanalo na, Miss Barbie. So, later we will announce the winner. Now, probably Ma'am Zoms, let's take a quick breather, okay? And enjoy another serenade from our very own sales consultant. Okay? So, ready na ba ang ating napakagandang sales consultant para i-serenade tayo ngayong hapon?
Miss Jane, are you ready? Ayan. Ready na siya. Ready na ang aming city.
Okay. So, now, let us welcome one of our sales consultant, Zane Cerise.
Yay! Ayan guys, please lang ha. Mag-share kayo ng ating live para ma-count po yung inyong yung comment nyo. Yung Mind Tucson. Ano po? Ayan. Eto na po.
So may dalawa na tayong nanalo, Ma'am Zoms.
May dalawa na kami nanalo and more pa.
Ayun.
So, stay tuned. Stay to our live.
Yes.
Ayan.
Okay, ready na ba?
Ready na si Jane?
Pharmaton Energy Plus.
Okay, keep the comments coming. Kasi po, I think ang unang nanalo is walang share badge. So, syempre, proceed tayo to the next count. So, make sure po na merong share badge. Okay, so once again, a round of applause to Miss Jane Cerise.
Covers PH.
guess you know, in time I'd have told you, but I guess I'm too slow. It's overly romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This could not be happening to me. But you were there, and you were everything I'd never seen. You walked me up from this long and endless need. I was alone. I opened my eyes, and you were there. Don't be alarmed, no, don't be concerned. I don't want to change things, living just as they were. I mean, nothing's really different. It's me who feels strange. I'm always lost for words when someone mentions your name. I know I'll get over this for sure. I'm not the type who dreams there could be more. But you were there, and you were everything I'd never see. You walked me up from this long and endless need. I was alone. I opened my eyes, and you were there. Can I take your smile home with me? All the magic in your hands. The rain has stopped, the storm has passed. Look at all the colors, now the sun's here and there. I suppose that you'd be leaving, but I want you to know part of you stays with me even after you go. Like an actor playing someone else's scene. This could not be happening to me. But you were there, and you were everything I'd never see. You walked me up from this long and empty sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes, and no, I'm not alone. I'm not alone. I opened my eyes, and you were there.
Wow! A round of applause to our very own sales consultant, Jane Serwiz. Napakaganda naman talaga ng boses ni Jane, no? Maraming salamat sa pag-serenade sa amin ngayong hapon. Now, alam ko excited na ang lahat kung sino ang nanalo doon sa first two sets natin for the raffle. So, sino nga ba ang mga nanalo? May we call on our sales manager, Ma'am Joms, para i-announce kung sino yung mga winner.
Ayan, ayan. So guys, totoo po ang SMGC na worth 1,000 pesos. And thank you po sa mga nagko-comment, nagla-like, and nag-share ng aming live page. I mean, ang aming presentation today. Guys, ang first winner, a 1,000 SM gift certificate. Ika-18 po ito. Si Miss Catherine Luces. Yan. Ayan. Yung second winner is Ma'am Jane Ella May Balete. Ayan. Ma'am Jane Ella May Balete. So yan po yung second winner.
Wow.
Ayan.
So, congratulations. Ayan, so congratulations sa lahat ng winners. So, keep the comments coming. Madami pa po tayo mga gift certificates na ibibigay this afternoon.
Yes.
So, hindi pa po tapos ang ating programa at hindi pa po tapos ang ating paraffle.
Yes.
Ayon, so now we are back to our hybrid lineup. It's time to check out the premium SUV experience. Let's call in Ronnie Melendres for the walk around of Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid.
Hello, yun. Okay. So hi and welcome to Hyundai Legazpi City. I am Ronnie, your certified sales consultant here at Hyundai Legazpi City. So today, let me walk you through our stunning Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. Yeah. So here in front, tignan nyo naman, napakaganda ng kanyang front fascia. The H-shaped LED daytime running lights and LED projection headlamps with a white front grille. Also, we have here the air flaps. Kusa po yan bumubukas kapag mainit na yung ating temperature sa loob. Also, we have here the wheel air curtain that help for a better aerodynamics and also can help to cool down our brakes. So dito naman tayo sa ating side. Yan. I will tell you some features of our Santa Fe. So dito naman we have the very classy yet tough 20-inch alloy wheel with a muscular fenders and the clean and confident profile. Yan, meron din itong handle assist. So let me call on Sir Paul to assist. Ay, nasa Paul yun, sir. So let me call on my colleague, Sir Paul, to demonstrate the handle assist. So ayan. So that is the purpose of our handle assist. It can actually help us to easily access the top of our Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. And also, dito man tayo sa ating rear view. Ayan, dito po. Yan, kitang-kita natin ang H-shape LED tail lamps. Yan, so Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid also equipped with a power tailgate. Yan. So pagpasok natin dito sa loob, may makikita tayo ditong 2 buttons. Ayan. 2 buttons. These 2 buttons, with the easy touch of a button, it can easily fold our second row seats. So ayan. Dito naman tayo sa driver seats. Ayan, pagpasok naman, napaka-premium agad ang feel. With the panoramic curve display of 12.3-inch digital cluster, plus touchscreen wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless charging. Also equipped with dual-zone climate control, heads-up display for the driver, and IMS or integrated memory seats that can set 2 settings for seat configuration. This Hyundai Santa Fe also has a UVC tray sterilization that can sterilize wallet, cell phone, or anything na kasya dito. Meron din siyang ambient mood light that can perfectly suit the Santa Fe Hybrid. Dito naman tayo sa ating second row. Yan. Our second row is equipped with a reclining captain seat with a panoramic sunroof, window curtain, at accessible na third row. So comfy sa lahat ng passengers. So dito naman tayo sa ating engine. Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid is a HEV or the hybrid electric vehicle, which is a combination of electric motor and a gasoline engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission with a power output of 232 horsepower and 367 Newton-meter of torque. Fully independent suspension din ang ating system ng Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid with MacPherson struts in the front and a multi-link setup in the rear. Perfect talaga for family trips. And of course, Hyundai Santa Fe ay hindi magpapahuli sa ating safety features. Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid is fully loaded of Hyundai Smart Sense. This unit has 6 airbags with a smart cruise control, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping and lane following assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, 360 degrees surround view monitor with blind spot view monitor, 60-degree parking sensors, and don't forget, Hyundai Santa Fe also comes with smart key and remote start function. Napaka-high-tech talaga ng ating Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. So kung hanap mo ay SUV na advanced at family ready, this is it everyone. The all-new Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. Once again everyone, I am Ronnie Milandres, your certified sales consultant. And please visit us here at Hyundai Legazpi City, located at Peñaranda Extension, Bonot, Legazpi City, Albay. Thank you and have a nice day.
Wow!
Yun, thank you.
The Santa Fe Hybrid is the definition of power, luxury, and sustainability all in one.
Yes, ma'am. It is packed with features that make family trips and city drives equally comfortable and efficient. Definitely a top choice. So, ayun ma'am, we already have 3 units na na-discuss for the walk-around ng mga hybrid units natin.
Ayan.
So, talaga naman napakaganda ng mga hybrid models natin, ma'am. From sedan to compact SUV, now we have the mid-size SUV Hyundai Santa Fe, no?
Yes.
So, hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos ang ating walk-around.
Oo naman, Case. So yun guys, alam nyo nakaka-overwhelm talaga. Thank you po sa mga nag-comment, nag-like, nag-share ng ating live today.
Yan.
Guys, hindi pa tapos to ha, kasi meron pa kaming tomorrow. Tomorrow naman, ito kasi yung day ng mga clients, bangko, yung mga partners natin. But tomorrow, we have the vloggers, our media content creator. Ayun.
Yan.
So tomorrow po, until tomorrow pa kami. So, guys, it's your chance. Tomorrow, kung di kayo nanalo today, tomorrow mananalo kayo niyan.
Ayun. So, umuulan ng SM gift certificates today and tomorrow, Ma'am Joms.
Yes.
So, stay tuned lang. Meron pa tayo mga raffle. Pa-raffle.
Oo.
Okay.
So guys, ito naman kasi hindi pa tapos, another 1,000 SMGC.
Ayun.
Siguro alam nyo na. Alam nyo na kung sino, kung ano yung i-comment nyo below. It's Mine Santa Fe.
Mine Santa Fe. Okay, yes. Mine Santa Fe.
Okay.
Kailangan po again, meron like and share dito sa post natin.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
ikailang comment?
Ikaw naman magbigay, Casey.
Ayun, sige.
Sige, isipin mong mabuti.
Dahil this month is a birthday month ng mama ko.
Yan.
And also my daughter. Sige, yung sa mama ko na birthday, 25th comment.
25th comment po ng Mine Santa Fe. Ayan.
Mine Santa Fe.
So, click na kayo ng click dyan. Ulit-ulitin yung comment.
Mine
For
Santa
sure,
Fe.
mananalo kayo. So, ayan. Mine Santa Fe. ika-25th na comment. Miss Barbie, it's your time to shine.
And again, make sure po na merong share badge ang comment nyo para po maging valid winner po tayo. So, Mine Santa Fe.
Yes.
So, while we are waiting kung sino yung nanalo for the winner for this raffle for Hyundai Santa Fe. Not really the unit Santa Fe, but for the 1,000 gift certificate.
Oy, mamimigay ka na, Kim. Guys, erase yun. Hindi po Santa Fe pamigay namin, kundi 1,000 SMCC. Pero, ang comment natin is Mine Santa Fe.
Mine Santa Fe. Pero if you are willing to get our brand new Hyundai Santa Fe, please feel free to visit our showroom here in Hyundai Legazpi. We also have one in Naga and also one in Daet. So please go to our showroom so that you can check out our units, our promos and services na ino-offer po natin.
Okay. Thank you, Casey. Again, our address here in Legazpi is at Peñaranda Extension, Barangay Boonot, Legazpi City, Albay. Beside Apollo Tires po. So yan, kasi medyo tago yung namin, building namin, but katabi lang siya ng Apollo Tires. So yung mga clients po natin, dyan yung old clients natin, please come and visit us here for your service and for your unit viewing. Punta kayo dito para makita nyo. We have other units pa po. The Stargazer, the Creta, and the Staria. And then we have yung pang-business, yung H100.
Yes, and also the Costin.
Yung Costin natin na luxury type na
MPV.
Hindi talaga luxury kasi ang price niya is very affordable.
Oh, yes. Affordable for its amenities. Imagine, ma'am, it's an MPV with lazy boy type of seats and then may sunroof, moonroof, and complete array of safety features, ma'am.
Ayan.
So, yon.
So, yun naman case na pinagmamalaki ko with our Hyundai. Very, kumbaga sa full pack talaga yung ating specification, yung mga specs, yung mga safety features, full pack talaga siya.
Actually, yes. Idagdag ko lang doon sa mga na-discuss kanina, Ma'am Zoms. When it comes to specs, nakita naman natin gaano ka-powerful ang ating mga sasakyan or mga hybrid units. Now, also, when it comes to safety, yung mga na-mention na mga forward collision, lane keeping, blind spot collision avoidance, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, these are safety features na real-time gumagana. Karamihan dito po is automatic braking, Ma'am Zons. In case na hindi attentive yung driver, madali na siya makabangga sa vehicle or sa mga obstacles sa likod, sa side, sa front. Kumbaga 360, ma'am 360 yung automatic braking feature nito. Not only that, ma'am, may 360 parking sensors. Now, with audible and visual alert for the driver. So talagang mini-make sure ng ating ng Hyundai na talagang safe yung driver and occupants nito. And para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang ANCOP rating ng mga units natin, Ma'am Zom, is 5-star. So talagang focus, Hyundai po is, ang top priority ng Hyundai is of course, safety. Dagdag trivia, Ma'am Zoms. When it comes to bakal, si Hyundai po, on top of this mga safety features na na-mention ng mga nagwagapuan sales consultant natin is, we have this steel that we call advanced high strength steel. It is 2 times tougher or kumbaga, doble pusog ang bakal namin kumpara sa bakal ng ibang brand. Pero magaan, Ma'am Zoms.
Yes, of course.
Mapusog, pero magaan. 2 times tougher yet 10% lighter from ordinary metal. So anong kagandahan nito, ma'am? Pagka syempre tough yung bakal, mas protektado yung occupants ng sasakyan. And magaan for the purpose na maging magandang efficiency and performance ng sasakyan. So ganun po ka-focus si Hyundai, not only with safety, but the looks. Alam naman natin when it comes to design, award-winning ang mga design concept ni Hyundai. In fact, we are holder of the World's Car of the Year, Ioniq, for 2023 and 2022.
Nice.
Yan. So, ayan.
Gusto lang din namin ipaalam na hindi lang naman po hybrid yung available natin.
Yes.
Si Hyundai meron din kaming mga EV. yung Ioniq natin, Ioniq 5, Ioniq 6, and Ioniq 9.
Yes.
So, available din po yung EV. So, yung mga gustong EV,
Full EV.
Yung full EV, you can inquire and visit our showroom. Though
Ayun.
wala po kaming display kasi by order po siya, but you can still inquire with us.
Yes. So just feel free to message our pages or visit our showroom.
Yes.
Right.
Ayan. So, Miss Barbie, may nanalo na ba sa ika-25th comment ng ating... Oh,
Okay.
guys!
So,
kulang pa.
keep the comments coming.
Put your comment on the comment below. Kasi sayang naman yung 1,000 SMGC.
Yeah, 1,000 din
Ano po?
yun. Okay, so ma'am.
Okay.
I think doon na tayo sa next unit na i-walk around natin. So now, the last unit, but definitely not the least.
Yes.
Let's take a look at the stylish and tech-savvy Hyundai Kona Hybrid. Let's bring in Sophia Akuman for the walk around.
Yes.
A brand new day with Hyundai. I'm Sophia Hakuman, your certified sales consultant here at Legazpi City. Everyone, I'm pleased to present the newest addition to our SUV lineup, the Hyundai Kona Hybrid. Isang eco-friendly at tech-loaded subcompact SUV. Perfect para sa city at long drives. Available ito sa GLS at premium variants. Today, folks, we're looking at the Hyundai Hybrid Kona GLS. As you can see, unang mapapansin natin ang napaka-wide, futuristic front grille ni Kona with seamless LED headlamps and daytime running lights. For the GLS variant, we have the MFR LED, while the premium gets the projector LED, mas advanced at mas maliwanag. Tignan naman natin sa side ni Kona. On the side, kung titignan nyo yung gilid ng bagong Kona, very modern yung dating with Z-shaped side rims, sharp body lines, matte black cladding, and sporty 17-inch wheels for GLS. 18-inch naman for premium. It's really giving city-ready pero capable SUV. Kona Hybrid has a coupe-inspired roofline. As you can see, pababa ang style ng likod ni Kona, gaya ng mga sporty coupe cars. This gives it a sleek, aerodynamic look na parang SUV na may halong sports car ang dating. Pero kahit napaslant ang likod, hindi naman sakripisyo ang headroom sa likod dahil sa smart design ni Hyundai. Ang Kona Hybrid GLS is makikita naman natin na merong factory-installed roof rails na kaya mag-load ng up to around 60 to 80 kilogram kasama na ang crossbars at ang cargo. Talaga namang napaka-sleek at athletic ang dating. Punta naman tayo sa likod ni Kona. Sa likod, both variants comes with seamless LED tail lamps. Also, it has an integrated high-mount stop lamp sa spoiler na nakapag-emphasize sa kanyang clean look design. Tailgate design emphasizes width and stability, plus madaling buksan because of its automatic tailgate. And yes, binuksan na ni Sir. So, pag binuksan mo si Kona natin sa likod, you'll access 466 liters of trunk space. And it is expandable to over 1,200 plus liters with rear seats folded flat. So, hindi lang naman sa labas ang panlaban ni Kona. Tignan naman natin sa loob ni Kona. Pagpasok mo sa loob, very modern and premium ang vibe. You're welcomed by a single panel design with 12.3 inches touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And also, it comes with a 12.3 inches digital instrumental cluster. So talaga namang napaka high-tech and advanced ng bago nating Kona. It also comes with smart key with push start button, remote engine start function, plus you'll get leather seats with 10-way power adjust dito sa driver's seat and dual zone automatic climate control. Comfort and convenience, check na check. Of course, hindi lang design ang panglaban ni Hyundai. We all know that Hyundai has its safety features na talaga namang garantisado. Kanina nabanggit ni Ma'am Joms and ni Ma'am Casey yung mga safety features na talaga namang packed si Hyundai. For safety, Hyundai Kona is loaded with safety features for both GLS and premium variants. And it is equipped with not just 4, but 6 airbags. Yes, for GLS and Premium, meron po tayong 6 airbags. It also has anti-lock braking system at electronic brake force distribution para hindi mag-lock ang gulong sa biglaang pagpreno. So, very safe talaga si Hyundai natin. It also has rear camera with sensors na may beep alert kapag umatras ka, and it is very helpful sa masisikip na espasyo. It also has electronic stability control and hill start assist. For the premium variant naman, kay GLS pa lang yon yung mga safety features na nabanggit ko. What more kay premium variant natin? For the premium variant, we have the 360-degree camera with blind spot collision, avoidance assist, blind spot view monitor, lane following assist, lane keeping assist, and also the 360-degree parking sensors. At meron pa yan, meron si Hyundai Kona natin ng smart cruise control, and it is very perfect for highway driving. Under the hood, tignan naman natin si Hyundai under the hood. Under the hood, this unit has 1.6-liter hybrid engine combination of electric motor and gasoline engine for better fuel consumption, boasting a power output of 141 horsepower with 265 Newton-meter of torque, mated to a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. And it is very matipid sa gas, smooth ang takbo, and it is fun to drive. So kung ang hanap mo ay isang stylish, check, practical, check, at fuel-efficient SUV, check na check, you have to check out the Hyundai Kona Hybrid. Once again, I'm Sofia Hakuman, your certified sales consultant here at Hyundai Legazpi. And everyone, please don't hesitate to share, like, and comment sa aming live. If you want to win SM gift card, guys, comment down below. And you can also visit us here at our showroom in Legazpi, Porok 5, Peñaranda Extension, Barangay Bonot, Legazpi City. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.
All right. So thank you, Sophia, for that very informative walk around of the newest SUV in Hyundai lineup. So now, what a way to end our Hyundai Hybrid Showcase, Ma'am Zoms, diba?
Yeah, oo
so,
nga.
ayun. I believe kanina, ma'am, nagkaroon tayo ng paraffle for Hyundai Santa Fe.
Yes.
Okay, so
eto na yon. Kung sinong nanalo.
Yan, may winner na po ba tayo, Ma'am Zoms?
For the Santa Fe, Mine Santa Fe, the winner is Ja Elcano. Ayan. Ja Elcano, you're the winner of 1,000 SMGC.
Ayan. So siya yung ika-25th
commenter natin.
Yes.
So meron pa po tayong...
Yes, hindi pa nagtatapos dyan, guys. So again, nagpapamigay talaga kami ng SMGC. So, eto na yon, meron pa ulit. Ano po? For 1,000 SMGC, again, comment now. Kona, Mine Kona.
Mine Kona.
Yes. So,
and again, make sure po na i-like and share itong ating live stream para maging valid winner tayo.
Yes. So, guys, ayun nga, hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayo until tomorrow for the live. Ano po, live natin ulit. So, please tune in and watch our live kasi meron ulit kaming pamigay na SMGC. So, ayan, our winner is Miss Ja Elcano. So, for the Kona, Mine Kona,
pang-ilan, Ma'am Joms?
Ronnie, bigyan mo nga ako ng number. Pang-ilan? O yun, napakatipid mo naman, Ronnie. Last na daw to, last. Last comment. Ika-39. 39 na comment.
39 commenter.
Kona. Ano pa?
Mine Kona.
Mine Kona, 1,000 SMGC.
Okay.
Ayan. So, ayan. While waiting,
okay, siguro pa-prepare natin yung isa sa mga sales consultant natin para mas-serenade ulit tayo ngayong hapon. Sige, ano lang to, shotgun approach sa mga... Alam ko naman yung mga ayente natin, Ma'am Zons, laging ready yan. So, Raymark, prepare tayo ng isang kanta dyan.
Ayan.
Habang nag-aantay tayo for the winner naman ng Mine Kona.
yes, ika-39.
39 comment.
comment ng Mine Kona.
So while waiting for the preparation of Raymark, Ma'am Zom, so ito pong mga lineup natin ng hybrid. Actually po, meron pa po tayong isa, Ma'am.
Ayan, RKC, don't forget that.
Let's not forget our flagship SUV, Ma'am Zoms. So of course, we now have the Hyundai Palisade here in the Philippines.
Yes, we
you
already have one owner from Legazpi City.
Yes, so thank you po for availing our latest flagship SUV Hyundai Palisade.
Yung nakaunang Palisade na hybrid dito sa Bicol.
Actually, Ma'am Jom, si Hyundai Palisade, it's a full-size SUV. So mostly, Ma'am Jom, sa mga full-size SUV sa ibang brand, ang mga prices niyan, Ma'am Joms, is around 6 to 7, 8 million.
Yes, I know.
Pero Ma'am, yung Hyundai Palisade natin, Ma'am Joms, magkano po ito? And it's already hybrid. So when we talk about hybrid, once again, it's a combination of electric motor and gasoline engine. Para syempre maging matipid lalo yung konsumo ng fuel. Kasi nga naman, di ba, may assistance na ng electric motor. So matipid talaga and hindi po komplikado once again ang hybrid natin kasi parallel hybrid without the need of charging the battery of the electric motor. So, nagsa-self-charging po ito through regenerative braking. So, yun po ang meron tayong technology with all the hybrid models that we have, including Palisade. So, Ma'am Joms, magkano po ba itong Hyundai Palisade natin?
Nasa 3.9.
Yes. So imagine it's a full-size SUV with 3.9 million price.
Yes.
Okay, so, and it's full pack of very nice amenities na po.
Ipa-flash po namin yung prices ng ating mga units. Sir Ian, yung mga prices po ng units?
Yes, for the prices, ma'am. Starting with Hyundai Elantra. So, again, sa mga gustong manalo ng 1,000 gift certificate for Hyundai Kona, please keep the comments coming. Just comment.
Mine Kona.
Mine Kona. So for the prices naman po, maybe Ma'am Jos, let's start with Hyundai Elantra.
Okay.
So Raymark, ready na ba ang iyong kanta? So please just be ready.
Yes. Ayan. For our Elantra, the price starts at very, very affordable. 1.6 GL6 speed automatic standard is 1,065,000 pesos only. And then for our 1.6 GL6 speed automatic is 1,140,000 pesos. And for our N-Line, the 7DCT N-Line 1.6 Elantra is 1,795,000 pesos. For our HEV, GLS, it's 1,480,000 pesos. And then for our premium HEV, the hybrid, it's 1,680,000 pesos.
Ayun.
Ayan.
So, Ma'am Joms, 1,065,000. Meron ka ng compact sedan na napaka-stylish and napaka-futuristic naman talaga, diba? Makita naman natin kay Elantra na it's a compact sedan, yet you get a stance of like a sports car. Like na-mention ni Froilan kanina, no? Para ka nang naka-sports car dito. Pero 1,065,000, meron ka ng Hyundai Elantra. And of course, we have promos. Just feel free to message us so that we can give you full quotation of the unit you would like to inquire.
Yes.
So, for other models, ma'am, we have...
For Kona, ayan, ang price natin for the GLS variant is 1,528,000 pesos. And for the premium, Kona Premium, 1,688,000 pesos only. Ayan. So, guys, for that hybrid models, very affordable po compare with other hybrid models na talagang branded na. Ano po?
Yes. When it comes to brand, Ma'am Joms, talagang reliability-wise, Hyundai has been in the market for many years. And gaya ng nasabi ko kanina, 10 years na po itong hybrid technology natin. Most of the hybrid models na lumalabas ngayon, bago pa lang sa market. So tayo po, matagal na, hindi pa komplikado.
Yes. Walang, hindi tayo plug-in.
Hindi tayo plug-in, yes. No need to charge. Nagsa-self-charging ang ating battery ng electric motor.
Ayan.
Okay. So next price, pwede po makita natin ang price for Hyundai Tucson.
For Tucson?
For Tucson. Ayun. For Hyundai Tucson.
Ayan. For Tucson, Tucson GLS Automatic, the gas is 1,680,000. For the GLS Automatic diesel, it's 1,980,000. For the hybrid, it's 2,290,000 po. So, ayan. Pwede ka mag-visit dito to see the unit.
So, may gas, may diesel, may hybrid.
Yes,
so, it's a complete lineup talaga, no? So, you have all the options you need.
Yes.
Okay, so, sir, pa-check naman ako ng Hyundai Santa Fe naman po.
Ayan. For the Santa Fe, the 2.5 GLS 8 DCT two-wheel drive, it's 2,410,000 pesos. For the all-wheel drive, GLS Santa Fe, it's 2,540,000. For the GLS Calligraphy 8 DCT all-wheel drive, it's 3.1 million pesos. For our HEV or the hybrid, it's 3,330,000 pesos. Ayan. But of course, we also have the Palisade. Yun na nga, Casey.
3.9 million. Isa lang po yung lineup na, isang variant lang po yung Hyundai Palisade. And yes, it is packed with really nice features. It's 2.5 engine.
Yes.
And full-size SUV.
Yes. May pahabol pa po pala kami. Yung Santa Fe GL. Yung entry
bago
variant. Yes.
Wow,
may
bago
entry variant tayo, guys. Nasa 1.999.
Wow.
1.990
Ma'am, pakita
lang
natin
po.
si Santa Fe, ma'am.
Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan.
So, ayan po, yung mismong stance ng Santa Fe, you can get this unit for the price of 1.9 million. It's full ICE. Pero tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda, ang lakas ng dating. And napakaganda din po ng features and performance and safety features na ibibigay po ng kahit GL variant natin.
Yes. Ayan. So yung Palisade, yun na nga. Meron tayong Palisade. It's 3.990 din po.
Yes.
Ayan, eto na. Eto na yung price natin. I mean, nanalo. Nung 39th?
39th
yeah,
winner.
Comment. Oo na. Mine Kona. So,
Mine Kona.
It's Miss Crystal Ivy Obina. Ayan.
Crystal Ivy.
A round of applause, please, para sa mga winners natin.
A round of applause.
Ayan.
Yay.
So, yun yung ikaapat natin ngayon na nanalo ng
Congratulations.
1,000 SMGC. Ano po? You can claim your prize with here in Legazpi, or yung kung sino po yung ahente na nag-invite sa inyo or nag-share sa inyo, pakikuha na lang po sa kanila yon. Yung prize
message na lang din po sa page namin ang Miss Cristel and mga nanalo kanina. First 3 winners, Miss Barbie. Pwede po natin ma-mention ulit kung sino yung mga winners natin kanina. I believe, I remember is Miss Catherine Luces. That's one. And ang next...
Jael Cano, tsaka yung isa...
Jael Cano?
Opo, tsaka yung... Nandun sa... Mamaya, yan na lang ulit. Oo. Anyway po, thank you sa mga sponsors natin.
Yes.
Yan, syempre, of course, Standard Insurance, Naga, and Babam Care Service, care of Ma'am Terry Lacanilao. She's with us. Thank you po for the support. And Sir Leo. And then, of course, IMJ Interactive. Thank you. Varems. And then, Ledtronics. ABS Catering. And of course, our Hyundai Parts and Service, care of Surgeon Abdua.
Yes, and again, we'd like to extend our gratitude once again to all the bank officers na pumunta ngayong hapon and to our valued customers na nag-join this afternoon. So hindi pa po tayo tapos. We still have tomorrow for the Media and Content Creator Day. So meron tayong mga content creator all the way from Daet, from Naga, and even Legazpi. So excited naman ulit ako kung ano naman po yung mga i-showcase nila for their vlog na Ma'am Zos.
Ayan. Ayan. I have to read this also. Yung ating
yes, and of course, for our closing remarks, sige po, bring it on, our sales manager, Ma'am Zos.
Ayan. I would like to thank Legazpi team sa pangunguna ni Roan Escobar. Ayan, ang ating supervisor here in Legazpi. And of course, his team, Ron and Bert. And then also Barbie, our sales admin. And also our sales consultant na mga talagang nag-practice, talagang binigay nila ang kanilang best. Sila Paul, si Sofia, si Froilan, and then si Ronnie. Ayan, thank you. Of course, ang dami, dito sa Legazpi po, ang nakakatuwa is very cooperative yung ating team. So ayan, ito na po yung babasahin ko. Ayan. As we wrap up this exciting first day of our launching event here in beautiful Legazpi, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you for making today a resounding success. From the warm welcome of our Legazpi community to the enthusiastic participation of our valued guests, partners, and customers, your energy and support have truly set the tone for what we envision as a meaningful and impactful launch. Today, we witnessed more than just a product or brand showcase. We shared ideas, forged new connections, and strengthened our commitment to innovation and service. This is just the beginning, and the best is yet to come. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow for another day filled with exciting activities, engaging presentations, and more opportunities to discover what we have to offer. On behalf of our entire team, thank you once again. Travel safe, and we'll see you all bright and early tomorrow. Ayan.
So, thank you, Ma'am Zos. Very heartfelt yung ating closing remarks for our dearest, beautiful sales manager. Thank you, Ma'am Zos. So, Ma'am Zos, of course, para sa parte ng ating closing program, may we call on?
Yes.
Yes, our very own.
Before anything else pa pala, I would like also to thank Sir Eugene Pachica for his approval na ginagawa namin to. And of course, our bosses in Manila.
Yes.
And of course, our back support, guys. Yung mga back support namin dito talaga na dinadala pa namin from all the way from Naga. So, may we call on Mama Fe.
Mama Fe.
Mama Fe.
Ang napakagandang Mama Fe, may co-supervisor.
Yes.
Hey, Mama Fe.
And then,
Mama Fe. Ito, ayan na siya.
Ayan. And then, of course, Roan. Come here, Roan.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ayan. Roan. Halika, Roan. So, ito po ang ating team. Ito pang aming team, si Ma'am Mafe from Naga. And then, of course, Sir Roan, our supervisor here in Legazpi.
Yeah!
Ayan. And of course, syempre, lahat naman po nandito sa amin. Like, sila Jazz, yung mga aming digital marketing, sila Barbie. Ayan. Full support po. So, ito ang aking team, guys. Ito yung nagmamalaki ko. So, wag niyo naman sanang ipirata. Hindi, joke lang.
Ano ulit po yung magandang pangalan natin?
Ayan.
Marafe po.
Thank you.
Ayan, thank you, guys. Shout out to my honey. Yeah. Ayun, shout out na naman tayo.
Shout out din sa aking napakagwapong husband, Carlo. And sa mga anakes ko. Now, Ma'am Joms.
Ayan, si Sean. Nagpapa-shoutout din.
Shoutout.
Okay. Now, tapos na po. Tapos na po kami. Ayan. Thank you po.
May magsa-serenade pa sa atin, Ma'am Joms.
Yes, of course.
Oh.
Ito yung ating pang-finale. Ayan na. Ang ating gwapong-gwapong
Raymark Bobby. Let's all welcome and give a round of applause to our very own Raymark Bobbies and James Ruiz for their performance.
Galing. Okay.
Karaoke TV.
Hello. Hello. And I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line.
Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. And if I ever fall in love again,
scared, I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down.
and yet, if you trust in me, I'm sure it come around. And I know when your heart is hard to let someone inside. In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. So if I ever fall in love again, then sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. And if I ever fall in love again, I'd be a fool to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life. When I know I'm gonna take it
if I ever fall in love again.
Thank you.
All right, so thank you once again, Ray Market, Jane. So that's wrap up our walk around live stream today. Once again, my name is Casey and kanina with me is our sales manager, Ma'am Zoms. So we are now ending our live stream. Stay tuned tomorrow for another live stream and another set of gift certificates. Okay, good afternoon and a brand J with Hyundai. Yes, congratulations. Very good, children. Congratulations, Hyundai Team Legazpi.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong one. There it goes. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. See what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it.